It's an announcement that was awaited for nearly 6 months, and the government finally taking the decision to raise the cap on subsidized LPG cylinders from 6 to 9. But it's also a mixed bag for consumers. While the hike in the LPG cap comes as a major relief, the government has also announced the partial deregulation of diesel prices, authorizing oil marketing companies to make periodic price corrections. And the opposition, of course, is clearly not satisfied, attacking the government on its latest move.
I am very happy to say that the CCPA today considered the issue of raising the cap from 6 to 9. And 6 to 9, and the CCPA has approved the proposal to raise the cap from 6 cylinders to 9 cylinders.
So will there be any change in prices?
No change in price.
So was that discussed?
By this, we have to, under recovery, will increase to the extent of 9,300 crores.
For this fiscal? So will the oil marketing...
No increase of prices.
And was that discussed, sir? Was that discussed?
Sir, please.
Sir, was diesel prices discussed?
3 additional cylinders
No, up
will
to,
be given
from
on the same rate.
No, yeah. 14th September to 31st March, it will be 3 to 5. Then 1/4/2013, it will be 6 to 9.
Sir, but diesel prices discussed?
Diesel is concerned, the OMCs, that the marketing companies, have been authorized to make from price corrections from time to time.
So what
price corrections means that means they will be allowed to do it at diesel. That means it is being decontrolled, or what is it?
So does that mean diesel has been decontrolled in a sense?
So there will be increase in diesel.
So one second, guys, 1 second. Diesel, Nitya, 1 second. Sir, LPG. Sir, LPG or diesel?
That in fact, there was a decision earlier for deregulating diesel.
Right.
Yes.
And in pursuance to that, they have been authorized, the OMCs have been authorized to make the price corrections from time to time.
So
देखिए, पेट्रोल, डीजल अथवा जो कुकिंग गैस, एलपीजी, इन सब सारी चीजों की बेतहाशा कीमत इस गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा बढ़ाई जा रही है। मुझे लगता है कि चाहे ऑयल हो अथवा गैस हो, इनके प्राइसेस के निर्धारण में जिस प्रकार की कोई एक प्राइसिंग पॉलिसी होनी चाहिए, इस गवर्नमेंट के पास कोई प्राइसिंग पॉलिसी नहीं है। अभी हाल में ही आज जो जानकारी प्राप्त हुई है कि अभी कुकिंग गैस सिलेंडर के ऊपर जो कैपिंग थी उसे 6 से बढ़ाकर 9 कर दिया है। लेकिन 5 मेंबर की यदि कोई भी फैमिली हो तो मैं समझता हूं पूरे साल में केवल 9 सिलेंडर में भी उसका काम नहीं चलेगा।
The government should have decided to increase the number of cylinders up to at least to 12. That is the demand from all the sections of our society, because one cylinder, at least one cylinder per month, then 12 cylinders per year. That would have helped all sections, particularly the poor and middle class people.